Now I will show. Hi, my dear friends. Now I will show you how to use mechanical railway float gauge. And first, I will show you the position ruler. Both of them are the positioning ruler. And first, you will see the high position and the low position. The high position applied to the manganese steel, and the low position applied to the synthetic steel. But actually, in the world, most of the country use the manganese steel for the railway track. Okay, today I will show you how to use the high precision ruler to measuring the manganese steel track. First, I will adjust the screw, both of them, and push the ruler to the high position. Push the ruler to the high position. And after that, I need to adjust the screw again. And now I will put the mechanical railway gauge to the turnouts. We also call that switch. Okay. You will see I use the hooker to touch the point rail, and both of the other side of the position ruler, we will touch the block, the gauge block. Okay, and after that, I will push down the measuring ruler, the 3 measuring ruler, to the surface of the track, and adjust the screw. Okay, now you will read the measuring results. We also can pull it out and read the results. Okay, that's all. Thank you.